Alright guys, now in this video I'm going to explain to you guys why nobody can actually predict the future, and all it really comes down to is using data and statistics in order to understand how we can be profitable. So now this very big problem is happening where, these guys are coming out on social media and saying, oh, Bitcoin's going to go to this, or gold is going to go to this, or the market is going to do this. But in fact, nobody knows what's actually going to happen in the future. Now, how can we be profitable is because we've actually taken over 50 years of market data that we had to pay for and tested thousands and thousands of strategies. Anything you think you can imagine or try, we've already tried. Now, basically the way it works is when our range bar system goes from red to green and it aligns with the super trend on Abbado, that's when we take the trade for a buy trade. And when it goes from green to red and it aligns with the super trend, then we take a sell trade. And then we have very strict parameters, which are 100 points up, 100 points down, which is what our trading strategy is based on. And all of this has been tested over 50 years of market data. Now, here's how you are able to actually do what we did completely for free. Now, if you actually go ahead and get your account set up on Abbado.com, you can see you have complete free access to unlimited data right on their platform. Now, this is something that a lot of places charge upwards of $10,000 a month for, that you get completely for free. So let me show you guys right here. So if we scroll all the way back on our chart right here, right? So what's the oldest date that we get to here? If we go all the way back, we're looking at around May of 2021 now. In order for me to get access to earlier data, all I have to do is click this button. And let's say I want to go back to June 2020. I click there and all I need to do is click load. So click load, and guess what? It actually downloads the data in real time right to your platform, and instantly we have access to all of this previous data. And we can do this for any market pair. Guys, this is something that costs thousands and thousands of dollars. So what you need to do is go get your account set up. You can load as much data as you want, and you need to start testing these strategies, because the faster you understand this, the better you're going to be able to test your strategies right away. Now, you can think of it as a time machine that basically takes you from nothing to expert overnight in terms of trading knowledge. Now, here's the thing. You can use this to test all of your strategies. All of the accounts are Islamic accounts because there's no swaps charged. It's actually a zero fee platform. There's no fees, so zero commissions, zero swaps, and their spreads are razor thin. Now, here's the thing. All of these things make Abbado.com, their web trader, the obvious choice when it comes to a trading platform. Now, if anyone actually understands how trading strategies work, how to test trading strategies, they'll understand this right away. Now, if you don't know what's happened in the past and you can't test a strategy in the past, how can you actually use it in the future? You cannot do that. And this is why we're able to make thousands of dollars every single day, because we've actually sat down and done this, and you have the ability to do this yourself. Now, here's another thing that I want to go over that also makes Abbado the ultimate choice for any trader. Now, you can see other platforms actually charge huge spreads. They charge you commissions. They charge you handling fees, overnight fees, monthly fees, market symbol fees. And then you keep getting wrecked on all of your trades, because in fact, if you actually go ahead and do the math, all of the fees will eat away at your profits. Not only that, they're going to multiply your losses. Now, on Abbado, there's no fees, there's no hidden cost. Their spreads are some of the lowest that we found in the market. They have no commissions, no swaps or interest fees, no charges for holding trades overnight. Now, for an average trader, you actually end up saving over $10,000 a year just trading on Abbado. Now, here is the old way of trading versus the new way, which is our profitable way of trading. Now, all of you guys have had failing strategies where you've tried things for a few days, a few weeks, a few months, and it just doesn't work over time. You've paid for courses, you've paid for strategies, and they obviously don't work because, you might win a few days here, but then you have a huge streak of losing days. We have short-term tricks where, some people try to scam you into signal groups or different groups where they give you alerts and all of these. Now, you're going to be stuck in this loop of endless trial and error because you're actually not sitting and doing the strategy testing step by step, back testing, manual forward testing, candle by candle, how it's truly supposed to be done and how we actually did it. Now, you've been given worthless indicators and, you have these feelings of hopelessness and you think, oh, I should give up. I'm already down 5K. I'm already down 10K. And, you're continuing to lose money trading. But in fact, what you have to realize is this is the very same business where hedge funds and banks actually make their billions of dollars. So there is so much money to be made. There's so much potential. And we're giving you the true profitable trading strategy that we use every single day without any cost or fees attached. Now, the first step is obviously you use the Abbado super trend to show you the overall trend, right? Now, we've obviously made millions of dollars doing this and we show you that live every single day. Now, combine that with our range bar system, our custom range bar system that runs live for you guys from our website, justsimpletrading.org, 24/7 across all the market pairs. And with these two combined, the Abbado web trader platform and our range bar system combined gives us the ultimate profitability every single day. Every single day we make thousands of dollars and we do it on our live sessions on TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch. So make sure you guys join there every single day. And this has led us to be financially free. So we don't have any jobs. We don't have a boss. We don't actually have to get up 9 to 5. None of those things. We're able to make thousands of dollars in just a few minutes with just a few clicks. And if you want to get started, all you have to do is just go to akapwc.com and follow the very simple steps. Go get your account set up on abbado.com, abbado.com, and get your account set up. Then go get access to the range bar system and start practicing, start learning. You can download the data so you can test your strategies over time. And guys, don't waste time. Get started right away, and we'll see you guys on the live session.